Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Sword of Justice game not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, crashing at startup, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The first method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game. Right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here, you have to type -d x11 and then launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, again come back and type -d x12 and then try to launch the game and then check if the game is working or not. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics driver to the latest version. After that, try to play the game. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link I have already given in the descriptions and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game application, right click on it, click on properties and click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK. After that, launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and click on apply and OK, and after that try to play the game. If this doesn't resolve, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and see if this solution helps to fix the issue. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and here you can see verify integrity of game files option is available. Click on it and wait for some time, and after the files are verified, now try to play it and see if it's working or not. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings, and after that here you have to search for the game if it's listed. In my case, it's already listed. If you don't find the game, you have to click on allow another app, then click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK, and after that launch the game and see if you can play it. Next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to the Steam. Now click on Steam option and click on settings. After that, click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is disabled, well and good. If it is not, you have to disable it, and after that launch the game and see if it works. Next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on downloads, go below and here you can see clear cache option, that is beside clear download cache. Simply click on it and it will pop up that you will need to log into Steam again after confirming it. So after you confirm it, launch Steam and log into the account, and after that check if you can play the game. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go through the link already given in the description and copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. Here you have to click on the link. Now after the link is downloaded, you have to open it, and after that you have to check whether it's showing you install or repair option. If it is repair, you have to click on repair option and wait for some time, and after it is finished, restart your system once. After restarting, again launch Steam and then try to play the game and check if you can log into it and play it without any further problem. Next solution is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled such as Nvidia Shadow Play or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game. Next solution is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search over here, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. Now after that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and see if you can play it. Our next solution is to run Sword of Justice as dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that you have to click on add a desktop app, then go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application and add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, go below and search for your game. Now after that, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Sword of Justice game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC and then launch Steam and reinstall Sword of Justice game once again, and click on play button to check if it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.